Hi, hello, and welcome to Fishy Friday, a series on fish recipes. New recipes every Friday. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more videos. Let's get into the video. Today, we're gonna prepare a South Indian delight, Gongora prawn. Now, I have taken half a kilogram of prawn, cleaned and deveined. Now, the leaf that you see here is Gongora leaves. Now this would give us a sour flavor to the dish. Now first thing, we will marinate this prawn. Now for marination, we will add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, and salt for taste. Now we will allow this to marinate for some time. We will add some oil to a pan and fry the prawns. We will fry this prawn for 1 minute. And we will set this aside. We will use the same oil to saute the greens. Saute it till the greens are cooked. Now we will turn off the stove and we will allow it to cool down. Once the greens have cooled down, move it to a mixer jar. And grind this into a fine paste. Now add some oil to a pan. Once the oil is warm, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, two green chili slit, 1 strip of curry leaves. Add 1 medium-sized onion, finely chopped. Saute it till the onions get glossy. Once the onions are glossy, we will add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute this till the rawness of the ginger garlic paste is gone. Once the rawness of the ginger garlic paste is gone, add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and a bit of salt for taste. Now we will add the ground gongora. Now clean up the mixie jar that we ground the gongora with some water and add that water to the dish. Now cook this till the oil starts to split. Once the oil starts to split, at this point of time, we will add the prawns. Once you have added the prawns, cook this for 1 minute. Now turn off the stove. The Gongora prawn is ready. Hope you love this video. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.